Hi, today I'm for the UleFone Armor 17 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll the Play Store application, and in the search bar enter the Ampere app. So now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and tap on the left down corner to OK. So here we'll see that information about battery, temperature is 28 and 5 degrees in my case. Also you can see here more info like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.